I do your makeup right.
Uh-huh.
This is just I do your makeup. Want help, I'd ask Google.
Shit.
Well, we'll fix that in post.
That's encouraging. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. He's back, yay!
I'm back.
So today he's going to be doing my makeup, so let's get started. So I usually do my eyes first. I have everything laid out in terms of like, this is all eye stuff, this is all face stuff, this is lips.
I'm gonna go in reverse order.
Really? You're going to do lips first?
These are all lip glosses, lipsticks.
Yes, I like giving you options. Yeah.
Yeah, that is weird. I've put eyeliner on myself before, and I could probably do this on myself a little more comfortably. We'll fix that in post. But doing it on other people is awkward. I don't like it. Don't ruin my art.
Sorry.
I don't know what I'm doing at all. I don't know if there's a way to blend these outside of just letting them do it naturally. Hope you don't mind teeth blue.
No, that's fine.
Good. That's what you're getting.
You can use the wand to blend it all up.
There's a wand, huh?
Yeah.
Do I look like Harry Potter to you?
Uh-huh. I won't be able to see until it's done.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Well, because the monitor's all the way over there.
Yeah, and you're blind. Alright. It's easy lips. Foundation.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like what goes on first.
Mm-hmm. Also foundation.
Oh, okay.
Gave you choices. Careful, it might shoot out. No! Oh, shit! Go wash that off real quick. Yeah.
Alright. Harder's better, right? Yeah, that's good. Uh-huh. It's not. I don't know how much of this you were supposed to use. My assumption is that was too much.
Okay.
Well, I followed the instructions, so that's fine.
You're smiling, that's good.
It's so here.
You're the artiste.
Highlight. Yeah, just like painting figures.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Just like painting.
Enough. Checking which brush to use by how much you fear it when you see it.
I fear it. That's the spirit.
I don't want any lasting damage. Are you looking at yourself?
No, looking at you.
This is right. There's no good angle for this. Could be happier with how this is turning out. Never applied eyeshadow.
Really? Oh, you did it on me once.
Never applied eyeshadow properly. Or seen it applied properly. That sure is dumping a lot of loose powder on your face. Feels wrong.
That's usually why I do eyes first. You're also using a stiffer brush.
Mm-hmm.
Fluffier brushes are usually better for distributing product without sprinkles on my face.
Probably. Does it matter if the same brush goes in different colors?
I don't usually care if that happens.
That sure is leaving behind a lot of powder.
Maybe you could switch brushes.
It's an option. It's a lot of powder.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Only there was some solution to this. Definitely working. Uh-huh. Very confident.
Good. That's what I love about you. You're a very confident man.
Uh-huh. Well.
I
Okay.
still haven't looked.
There's a Food Ninja when you need one.
Food Ninja?
Yeah, the blenders.
Oh.
This isn't I do your makeup right.
Uh-huh.
This is just I do your makeup.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Want help, I'd ask Google. Well, we'll fix that in post.
That's encouraging.
Alright, I want to close your eyes. blowing it back in my face. It's not good. Now I'm gonna get a dry brush and just kind of see if I can fluff that off your face. No. No, I can't. Okay, I should probably do some eyeliner. You have eyeliners?
I do.
Stop looking.
I'm not looking.
Uh-huh.
I actually haven't looked this whole time.
Uh-huh. This is awful. I can kind of do this on myself, not with liquid, but on other people I'm just hella scared of getting this into your eye. I have a couple options. Let it be uneven, add more to the other one,
Yep.
eventually turn it into eyeshadow.
That is the struggle.
Okay, well this red stuff here is probably for cheeks. Right?
Yeah. That's blush. That's whoa, really?
What?
That tiny of a brush. Look at all the brushes you have. Why would...
Okay. Okay, fine. I don't know. Really highlight the got punched in the face look we got going on. I feel like I'm just making this worse. So, nailed the eyes. Clearly highlighting is done perfectly. Lips are looking good. You need a mustache.
I need a mustache.
That one is actually not bad. Alright, I'd say we're done.
You
Looks
sure?
good,
You
yeah.
don't want to add anything else?
No, I think we're fine.
Okay. I'm gonna go get my mirror.
Uh-huh. Oh, my hands are filthy.
Yeah.
Does that happen to you too? Like there's a lot of eyeliner on my hands.
Yeah. Yeah, that does happen sometimes.
See, the mustache is pretty good, right?
Oh my god. Yes, I look very French.
So there's like bruising on your cheeks?
Yeah, it's nice bruising. I like the contour.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Not too dark?
I mean, it's very dark.
Yeah.
I like the one little streak there.
No, I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's the eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow is nice and sparkly.
Mm-hmm. Well, it sparkles. But
Yes.
is it applied?
It is applied.
Uh-huh.
I like the little friend we have here in the bridge of my nose.
Uh-huh.
Foundation looks good. I like how you stopped right there.
That's where your face is. So I stopped where your face stops. Makes sense.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
I like the colors you picked for the lips, and I like that that matches the purple and blue in the eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Eyeliner's not bad.
Yeah, except there's missed spots over there.
This spot's, and this one's a little longer than that one, but mustache, I can't.
What about the lips? Is that vaguely how you make the lips happen?
Vaguely. I like how you gave me a little bit of an overdraw over here. That's nice. Make the
Oh.
lips look bigger.
Uh-huh.
It's good. I do that.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Uh-huh.
Definitely go over the lips to make them look bigger. Mm-hmm.
This is Magnifique with the mustache. The left one is my favorite.
Yeah, that was a smooth one. Some close-up shots afterwards.
Glorious.
How long does it take to get that off?
Like 2 seconds.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I ruined a shirt and I have to go wash my hands.
Yeah, sad day. But at least my mustache looks good.
It does.
Thank you for that.
Not a problem.
I love the mustache. It's my favorite part. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and we'll see you next time. Bye.